Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you all are good and well. So in this video we will talk about insuring your parrot, ferret, pot-billed pig or horses. Most people buy pet insurance for their dog or cat. That not surprising as 67% of American households, that nearly 85 million own a pet. Breaking that down, 63.4 million of them have a dog, 42.7 million have a cat, and 28.7 million have a bird, a fish, or other small animal. A mere 1.6 million have a horse as a pet. It isn't difficult to find information about the insuring FIDO or fluing against accident or illness. But what about the instant your Winterman's or the Potbellied Pig? Believe it or not, pet health insurance for other than dog and cat is available for just have a knock on your way. Key takeaways, let's talk about on that. Pet health insurance for an other than dog and cat is limited but available. The three main categories of pet and that are not dogs or cat are the avens, bird, acoustic, and the horses. Nationwide is the only company in United States that insure bird and acoustics. Horses are insured by the Nationwide and several other companies. Alternatives to insurance including discount membership programs and the medical credit card. Nationwide, the only company in United States that currently insure bird and acoustic pets, provide coverage for most avian, reptiles, amphibians, and the small mammals. Nationwide, other several other companies offer insurance on horses as a nationwide in the only insurance company provide for the avians and acoustic pet. Comparison shopping isn't on an option. Other type of coverage, however, including membership-based, the voluntary discount plan, and the medical credit card, provide a alternate on the nationwide acoustics per pet insurance. Excluded species and breed. Some avens and acoustic are not insured by Nationwide. There are included any species in the group listed below that are venomous or the poisonous, and there are such more. Technically, no breed of horse is excluded from the equine insurance. Other factors such as a age and health profile, however, may exceed the animal or make insurance cost prohibitive. So, compared with dog and cat, some avens and acoustics need more specialized care, which require more training and research on the part of the veterinarian. This plus lifespan of the pet may increases the cost of care. For other cost of care is comparable of that of dogs and cats. For example, according to the Nationwide, the top medical treatment for bird is for feature picking and loss, which costs $305 on average. The number one problem required treatment for small mammals is dehydration or the constipation. That treatment ran for $83 on average. With the reptiles and the amphibians, the most frequent treatment is for the initial parasites at above $72. Comparing those figures with those for dog or cat indicate that the cost of care is comparable. And keep in mind that term and condition can vary from state to state. You can get the most accurate information by contacting the company. Term and condition: acoustic pet insurance covered through Nationwide is on the remembered basic meaning you pay upfront and receive Reimbursement usually with week or so. Covered treatment and the procedure remembers 90% of approved amount after any deductibles or co-pay up for the annual per incident amount. Nationwide has a $50 per unrelated incident deductible and a 10% co-pay, 90% reimbursement for it. Acoustic coverage up to 2000 per incident maximum. So this is our video. I hope you enjoy the video and I'll see you in the next one.